Before time, before memory, there was only darkness and stardust. This is our home, but in a form we could never recognize. A world forged in fire and born from violence. But to be born, this world had to die one last time. Its destiny was approaching from the darkness. A destructive creation. From the death of two worlds, a new family would be formed. From the scars of the past, a constant companion was born. Earth would never be alone again. Its gravity would steady our world. Its presence would light up the darkest nights. The rhythm of life had begun. The violence was not over. The heavens themselves threw everything they had at the young world. But they also brought a gift. Hidden inside these frozen travelers was the most precious ingredient of all. Water. The oceans were born, not as a peaceful cradle, but as a boiling, chemical soup. Deep beneath the waves, away from the sun, were chimneys of energy. These were the engines of creation. It wasn't a flash of lightning. It was a quiet click. The moment the universe became... For 1 billion years, this was life. Simple, resilient, and patient. These were the first cities, built not of stone, but of life itself. And the inhabitants were about to change the world forever. It was the first breath of a new world. A waste product, a poison, and the key to all of our futures. The new air was toxic. It choked the oceans, turning them red with rust. This was the planet's first mass extinction, and it wasn't caused by a rock from the sky, but by life itself. From the ashes of the old world, a new one was born. A world with a blue sun. But life's revolution had an unintended consequence. The planet froze for millions of years. After billions of years' silence, life suddenly screamed. It was nature's greatest experiment. Life's next conquest was the land. It began not with a roar, but with a quiet green carpet, clinging to the rocks. The first forests rose, transforming the continents. It was a world both familiar and deeply alien. The air, now rich with oxygen, allowed life to experiment with size. For a time, insects were the undisputed rulers of the sky. One small push through the mud, one giant leap for a planet. The final frontier was about to be conquered. The world's progress was erased. A volcanic eruption lasting 2 million years triggered the greatest.
When one rain falls, another will rise.